Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to x plus 1 because we still have x. So I need to put about number 1 go to the left. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the u equals to the x. This one we change by u. X we change by this one. The x we change by the u. So we need to expand this one. One plus 2, you have number 3. U square divided by u, 2u divided by u, and number 3 divided by u. So we have u minus 2 plus 3 over u. The integration of u, we have u square over 2. Number 2 in here, we have 2u. And this one, we have 3 ln of the absolute value of u. And then we put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.